Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to underline text on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To underline text in Squarespace, you can use a couple of methods depending on the type of content block you are working with. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click on the account dashboard. Now, basically just click on the website that you're working with, and from here, click that. We are going to underline a simple text here on Squarespace by clicking on the edit button. Now, first off is I'm going to add a block. That means I'm going to add a text here. Now, I'm gonna drag this text probably at the bottom here, wherein I am going to put something here, like this one. Now, to underline text on Squarespace, it's a very straightforward and an easy process because you just have to select the text by placing your cursor from right to left or left to right, depending on your preferences. But the shortcut is, if you're using the Windows, you press Ctrl+A to select all, the text only. And then press Ctrl+U to underline. You see that? Of course, we're going to change the color so you can see that. And that's how you basically underline text on Squarespace. Now, another option for you to be able to underline text on Squarespace is go again to the add block. We're going to select the code, and you can use a custom code for HTML. If the built-in underline option isn't available or you need more control, you can add custom code to underline text. For example, this is going to be the text. All right. You can put in this code right here. Okay. And then I'm gonna put it here, say for example this one, the entirety of this text, and voila, you see that the text has been underlined using the HTML editor or code block to add the following. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.